Okay guys, this is a 2020 Ford Mustang GT Premium Edition. Fully loaded with leather, adaptive cruise, heated seats, cooled seats, subwoofer in the rear. Rebuilt title, damage was right through here. Kind of see this was bent up, but looked at that frame, no damage on the frame. This was a trade-in. We are going to get the hood and the bumper repainted. Has a few little issues, if you can see. $46,000 miles on it. Adaptive cruise, heated cooled seats, backup camera. You can see he's been getting 25.8 miles per gallon on this thing. Been driven like a baby.
Prestige Men's Health utilizes a major medical breakthrough.
Nice stereo with that subwoofer in the rear. This is a manual transmission. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.